This is going to be a very short video. I am about to plant some kohlrabi seeds. I have had these seeds for a year and I don't remember if I planted them before. I must have, and they didn't come up or something because the packet's open. But I was watching Zalima on Dolores' Garden, and her kohlrabi came out huge. So I was like, what do they even taste like? Because I have no idea. But I thought that I would go on and plant some. Hopefully these seeds are still viable. And we'll go from there. Pardon all of the noise you hear in the background. My neighbor's having their yard done, and we've got construction going on over this side, so it's just noisy out here. So anyway, thank you for joining me, and come along. Okay, y'all, I have only been out here for, I know, what, 20 minutes, and I'm sweating. I'm sweating. I left this thing on my head because, and no honey, it's not a bonnet. It's a lock cap. But I left it on because, as you can see, the wind is blowing and straw flies everywhere, and I don't want it in my hair. So, and I knew I wasn't going to be out here long anyway, because I just wanted to plant the kohlrabi and get it watered and mulched in. I'll be so glad when I run out of the straw. Oh my God, and I got a whole nother bag. Anyway, but that is really it. As you saw in another video, I realized that one of my tomato plants has root rot. Excuse me, not root rot, it's blossom end rot. And I have ordered, I think it's called Rot Stop or something like that, that is supposed to give it the calcium that it needs in order to prevent and or correct blossom end rot. It's not terribly bad at the moment, but it's bad enough for me to notice it. And it's actually, that was the first time I actually touched that tomato and raised it up to look at the bottom of it. And that's where I saw it. And I'm afraid to look at the others because they may be the same way. And of course, it's a determinate tomato variety. It's my Amish paste. But luckily, I've got tomato seedlings in the house. Go away. Tomato seedlings in the house that they are like my succession planting type deal. So I'm sad, but not too sad. It takes a lot of love and tender care whenever you're growing any type of crop. And so, yeah, if I ended up losing the entire plant, I'm hoping it's just one plant, then no harm, no foul, I've got a replacement. But anyway, I don't even want to talk about the whole bed. So, because it's hot and I'm sweating. I got a sweat mustache. So, thank you for joining me. If this is your first time or your fifth time watching one of our videos or visiting our channel, hit the subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. And until I see you the next time, take care. Bye.
Hit the like button, share the videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.